how's it going? Thank you again for stopping by and joining me today. In this video, I wanted to address a comment and a couple of comments I got, and also just questions out there that I've seen on when is the best time to do your nighttime routine. Okay, there's a lot of things where should I? When do I do it? When do I have time? How much time do I need? Should I be taking off everything and last thing and, when I'm dead tired, or what's the best time to actually start your nighttime routine? Now, my question back to you will be, well, how long is your nighttime routine and how many steps is there? Can you break it up? If you can break up your nighttime routine, if you have multiple steps, I would do it as soon as I get home. So there's a whole policy with me is when I get home, the first thing I do is put my hair up in a ponytail, get it up in a bun, get it away from my face. I don't need my hair in my face. I don't need, especially in the summertime, more heat and everything just running around. So first thing inside the house is putting up your hair. Second thing is to get into comfortable clothings. Now, this could be, I wear comfortable clothing, but I don't wear my work clothing anymore. So it will definitely be either a tank top or a t-shirt, shorts. Just get comfortable, loosen up. Women, no TMI, but get that bra off of you if you want. Just hang out, just leisure, whatever. If you're by yourself, obviously get into PJs. If you're not going out anymore, just get comfortable. So the first thing is getting home, getting comfortable. Second thing is if you're not going out anymore, for the evening, you're not going to be needing to touch up your makeup. So the second thing I do immediately as soon as I get home and I know I'm not having anyone over for dinner. I'm not having anyone step through the door that I know of. I'm not going out running errands or anything like that, or meeting anybody up for dinner. I go ahead and I take off my makeup. I just literally, I do wipes. I do some facial wipes, and that's my first cleanse is my facial wipe. I'll go through and I'll wipe down my face. I'll get most of this off of me, and then I'll go ahead and do my actual cleanse for the night. Now, this could be 6:37 p.m. All right, this is not 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night. This is like 6:30 p.m. as I'm getting home, getting comfortable, and all of that. I will go ahead, cleanse my face, get it all sparkly clean, and all of that. I will also go ahead and use the toner at that time, because to me, cleansing and toner go kind of hand in hand. So I try to do that as the two-step process. After that, I will kind of leave things alone. I'll go downstairs. I'll start dinner. I'll start, doing things around the house that needs to be done, feeding the dogs, getting dinner on the table, all of that. Once all of that is done, and I'm starting to go up for the night, so we have a two-story house. So, once I kind of migrate upstairs for the night is when I will start continuing on with my nighttime routine. So that might involve my serums, my vitamin C if I need it, my oils if I need it, my serums if I need it, in the process that I need to do, or my Retin-A if I'm doing Retin-A or different for the night. So in lieu of all the other serums, I might just do the Retin-A, and then I will wait again a little bit. I'll do some laundry, I'll fold some clothes, I might clean a little bit in the bathroom, I might organize the bedrooms, I might, go on. Usually I'm just upstairs. Now, I might run downstairs and do a load of dishes, so I might do something like that, but I'm taking my time. I'm actually drawing it out throughout the night. Again, it doesn't overwhelm me, and I'm multitasking as I'm doing, especially if you have some like Retin-A. I usually keep on my face for about 15 minutes, if not longer, before I'll do like a moisturizer or an oil-based serum after it. So I'm giving my skin a chance to work with the Retin-A and get it deep in there and penetrate, and I'm not mixing anything with that to, you know, alleviate the power of the Retin-A and the work that it's doing. And then the last thing I'll do, and this is really, I'm already in bed. I'm kind of, you know, I've done my flossing, I've done my toothpaste and all of that. The last thing I will do is when I'm actually getting into bed, and you guys know this because I've talked about it a number of times, I have my night creams and my hand creams on my nightstand. That's what I do. I have it all in a row on my nightstand, and I'll go ahead and I'll pick one depending on, like now it's the summertime, so it's the lighter ones that I do. I have the Vanity Cream Light Lotion right now that I'm using that I really like. I've got a number of other lighter creams that I'm using, and that's when I'll do my facial cream, or I might do an oil that night, a lighter oil, maybe the jojoba, maybe a little vitamin E, maybe a little rose hip, just depends. It really depends on my mood and what I'm aiming for. I usually do a light cream when I'm doing my Retin-A. I usually don't mix a lot of one of the heavier, you know, oils with it, but I can. I mean, it's not gonna make me, you know, have a reaction or anything for me. You might be different, so you know you want to check into that. But I'll do that, and then what else will I do? I think that's about it. And then I will definitely lights out. I will look at a couple of YouTube videos. I know that's my detox, guys. That's my little indulgence at night. I might answer a few comments of yours. I'll look at my Instagram. I'm just waiting for the cream or the oil again to soak in before I really lie down and hit that pillow. But within about 15-20 minutes after the cream goes on my face, I will be, you know, lights out and hitting the pillow. And that's the last routine that I will be doing at night. So that's my nighttime routine. I take my time. I just do it in little spurts and go around. I think it just helps me just, you know, put that routine in. And it's not such a pressure that I know I have like a half an hour routine to get through for all of my skincare needs. You know, if I put that in my mind that, oh my gosh, I am so tired, it's 9 o'clock at night, and now I have to devote about 30-40 minutes for my nighttime routine, guys, I'm not gonna get through it. I'm not. If I put myself into that mental mood of coming home, getting comfortable, getting into a routine where I'm just, you know, like I said, putting my hair back, getting my work clothes off, getting nice and comfy, and then starting to take off my makeup and starting my routine, then I get into that really good groove where it's not a huge pressure of doing all this. So anyway, I hope that this has helped you a little bit. It's probably a little quick on my videos. I know usually I'm kind of like long drawn out, but I just wanted to put that out there because there have been comments in the past on, well, what is it that you actually do? How long does it take? What should I do first, second, third? How should I approach it? So there's been a lot of discourse back and forth about it. So I thought I would address it online for you guys, and I hope that this has been helpful. And please leave me your comments below and let me know how you approach your nighttime routine. Is it something you do in one fell swoop, just boom, 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 or do you take your time? Do you, you know, do homework with the kids or walk the dogs or whatever? I mean, if I'm not going out at night, I won't put on the sunscreen anymore. If I know I'm going to be walking the dogs, till I walk the dogs at night, until the sun is up, I will go ahead and leave my, you know, my makeup or my sunscreen on. So that is a caveat there I thought I'd make mention. But as soon as I know that the dogs are done, I will not be stepping out of the house. I won't be doing anything. Of course, there might be some emergency situation, God forbid, that I have to do that. But, you know, as long as I know I'm not really, you know, scheduled to go anywhere or do anything, I will go ahead and take everything off my face, because having your skin cleaned out and ready and prepped and primed and ready to go for the night is just a really, really good feeling, guys. Okay? Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by again. And go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up and share it with friends if they need to know about this. I really would appreciate it. I'm trying to get up there to, I'm trying to get into the 4,000, because I'm going to be trying to get a giveaway going very shortly, and I'd like to get more subscribers there so that we can all have a great time and do a great giveaway. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.